Interested in a career that combines healthcare with hands-on care? Let's explore how you can become a dentist and give your patients a reason to smile. First step, enroll and complete a Bachelor of Dental Science, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, or a Doctor of Dental Medicine in an accredited program. During dental school, gain hands-on experience in clinical settings. This is crucial for developing your dental skills and patient management techniques. After graduating from an accredited course, you must register with the Dental Board of Australia and meet its registration standards in order to practice in Australia. Interested in specializing? Pursue further postgraduate study with a Doctor of Clinical Dentistry to prepare for a career at a specialist level in your preferred field. Ready to start your journey in dentistry? Embrace the path to becoming a dentist and make a significant impact on health and well-being. Your career starts now.